Next item that we want to see in Fluent API is setting the max length and not mapped. Max length is easy. On property, we have has max length and we define the length right there. When it comes to not mapped, on the entity, we have .ignore and then we have to write the property that we want to ignore. Let me go back to the code and in solution, I will open the book, which is fluent_book, where we need 3 of the items along with the primary key. So if we go back to application DB context, let me copy what we have for book detail and paste it one more time here. This time we will be working on book. So copy and paste that. I do not want to rename, but I do want the primary key and that will be book ID. If I go to Fluent Book, ISBN has max length of 20 and required. So ISBN is required and ISBN dot has max length of 50. When we go back, price range is not mapped. So let me copy this once again, paste it. We have .ignore and we want to ignore the price range. Perfect. Data annotation for Fluent Book looks good. Let me remove them. We do not want to worry about relation right now. Let's add the migration. Before we add the migration actually, we need to add the DB set for Fluent Book. We will use consistent name, so fluent_books here, and we have Fluent Book. Perfect. Let's add the migration. So add Fluent Book to DB. Let's see what happens. We see the warning with decimal using precision. That's okay. And let's examine. Perfect. Book ID is identity. We have the primary key there. Title, you can see nullable is true, but ISBN nullable is false. And if we go back here to our Fluent API, on ISBN we said that is required. So this is correct. Max length is 50 here. That is also good. And price range should not be added. We do not see that. So perfect. Let me update the database. With that we have covered not mapped and max length. Let me continue from the next video.